Welcome to Top Picks. Today, we're counting down the best waffle maker for home. Number 1. Say hello to your new favorite kitchen companion, the Maker. This incredibly compact and stylish countertop appliance is meticulously designed to bring a fun, effortless twist to your duration. Operating is remarkably simple. Just whip up your favorite batter, pour a scoop into the non-stick cooking plate, close the lid, and watch the built-in blue indicate. Within minutes, you are rewarded with a perfectly golden, evenly cooked waffle that slides sticking. But do not let its small size fool you. The creative possibilities are completely endless. Beyond your standard breakfast waffles topped with fresh blueberries, strawberries, and maple syrup, you can easily experiment throughout the seasons using festive holiday molds shaped like ghosts, snowflakes, and pumpkins. Satisfy your late-night sweet tooth by pouring in a rich chocolate batter to create a decadent waffle dessert stacked high with fresh whipped cream, strawberries, and a drizzle of chocolate sauce. If you are in the mood for something savory, pack the iron with shredded potatoes to press out beautifully crisp, golden hash browns, or create a savory egg and green onion breakfast stack. Cleanup is incredibly fast and hassle-free thanks to the premium dual non-stick surfaces that wipe clean with a simple damp cloth. Available in a vast rainbow of vibrant colors. Number 2. Introducing the Waffle Maker, the ultimate high-performance kitchen companion engineered to effortlessly bring your favorite breakfast, lunch, and dessert recipes to life. This premium appliance features an advanced, easy-to-use browning control dial with 5 distinct settings, giving you the ultimate flexibility to customize your waffles exactly to your liking, ranging anywhere from light and soft to deep golden and extra crispy. Operating the unit is completely seamless. Its bright, built-in LED indicator lights let you know precisely when the machine is turned on, when the grids have reached the optimal temperature to start cooking, and exactly when your delicious creations are ready to be served hot. But your culinary creativity does not have to stop at standard breakfast waffles topped with fresh blueberries and maple syrup. Expand your kitchen horizons by trying out mouth-watering specialty desserts like a rich waffle s'more layered with graham cracker crumbs, chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, and decadent melted chocolate sauce. You can even make a uniquely delicious waffle iron apple crisp by grilling fresh apple slices brushed with melted butter directly on the non-stick grids and topping them with toasted oats, brown sugar, honey, and a scoop of vanilla ice cream. When the cooking is done, cleanup is incredibly fast and hassle-free thanks to the premium, removable die-cast plates that pop right out with a simple click and can be placed directly into the dishwasher. Once everything is clean, the convenient locking lid design and integrated cord wrap located on the bottom of the unit allow for easy, space-saving vertical storage inside any kitchen cabinet or cupboard. Discover the perfect blend of elegant versatility and gourmet results with Krups, and delight in the beautiful details of every single meal. Number 3. Say hello to your new inert round classic waffle maker. This elegant appliance is engineered to deliver thin, perfectly golden waffles with zero hassle. It features premium ceramic non-stick plates that guarantee effortless food release and quick cleanup. Operation is completely straightforward. Simply pour your batter onto the lower plate, close the lid, and let the precision heating do the work. With user-friendly browning control sliders ranging from shade 1 to 5, you can effortlessly customize your waffles from light and tender to beautifully dark and extra crispy. Highly intuitive, built-in indicator lights seamlessly switch from red to green to signal exactly when the plates are preheated and when your waffles are perfectly baked and ready to eat. When the cooking is finished, you can effortlessly plate your golden creations to share at the breakfast table. Once breakfast is done, its unique design stands completely upright, allowing for ultra-compact storage that fits neatly into any tight kitchen cabinet or countertop space. Number 4. Elevate your breakfast routine and bring the ultimate cafe-style experience home with the incredibly powerful Bella Rotate Maker. Packed with a high-performance 1000-watt heating system, this countertop favorite heats up in a flash, allowing you to bake thick, signature 1-inch Belgian waffles that are beautifully crisp on the outside and wonderfully fluffy on the inside flat. Getting started is just plug the machine into preheat, and wait for the vibrant green ready indicator light to signal that it's time. Once your batter is mixed, pour it evenly onto the cooking surface, close the secure lid, and use the ergonomic easy flip handle to rotate the entire unit a full 180 degrees. This clever rotating mechanism is the secret to waffle perfection, as it gravity feeds the batter into every single crevice of the grid, ensuring uniform heat distribution and a perfectly even cook throughout. The possibilities do not stop at breakfast either. Feel free to get crafty and creative in the kitchen by using any batter you like, from standard classic recipes and gluten-free blends to making a savory lunch omelette that cooks up beautifully. Thanks to the premium, PFOA-free non-stick coating, food removal is entirely stress-free as your freshly made creations slide right off without a single tear, keeping your grids clean and making cleanup faster than ever. Top your warm, golden stack with a generous pour of maple syrup, sweet fruit jam, decadent whipped cream, or a handful of fresh strawberries and blueberries to instantly wow your taste buds. Best of all, it includes a removable drip tray positioned perfectly underneath to catch any accidental batter spills, keeping your kitchen countertop entirely mess-free and pristine. Treat yourself, your family, or a lucky friend to the wonderful convenience of the Bella non-stick rotating waffle maker and savor the authentic taste of a gourmet breakfast every single day. Number 5. Say hello to Foolp, the innovative Ninja Belgian Waffle Maker Pro Never Stick. This unique, vertically oriented kitchen appliance completely reinvents the way you bake thick, fluffy 1-inch Belgian waffles by saving precious counter space and eliminating messy batter spills. Getting started is incredibly intuitive. Simply plug in the machine and use the front control dial to select your preference from 5 different browning shade settings, custom tailoring your waffle texturing from soft and tender to beautifully golden brown and extra crispy. Once selected, the built-in precision heating system begins priming the interior plates, and highly convenient audible and visual LED alerts will let you know exactly when the unit is fully preheated and ready for action. Next, take the included precision pour cup, measure out your preferred batter recipe according to the helpful recommendation line on the top funnel, and pour it smoothly right into the vertical opening. Thanks to its unique upright design, the batter feeds naturally downward through the funnel, evenly filling the interior grid plates to ensure uniform heat distribution and an exceptionally consistent cook throughout without ever requiring you to flip or turn the unit. Within minutes, the intelligent timer alerts you that cooking is complete. Unlatch the secure handle to reveal perfectly cooked waffles that pop right out without a single tear, thanks to the ultra-durable Never Stick non-stick coating that ensures zero sticking or scraping. Serve up your gorgeous golden stack with syrup or fruit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.